After logging in, you will see an option of Create New Class. Please tap on it. Now you can enter your class name and also specify the subject. You can now also choose days of the week on which the class will occur and give it a specific time. This will ensure weekly recurring classes and prevent you the hassle of creating classes every day. After creating and saving the class, you will receive a class code that you can share with your students via any medium. The students will now use the same code to request your permission in the class. You can accept their request and make them a member of your class.